Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on your phone, Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Of course, I mean the charging port. We start by turning off the phone. Hold down the volume down and power buttons to bring up the menu. Turn off the power. Now the phone is completely turned off. We need a brush with longer bristles, so that it can reach all the way into the port when we insert it, allowing us to move it around inside the port completely. Of course, it should be made of synthetic bristles, not metal, because metal could damage the phone. In addition, we need 100% isopropyl alcohol so that it fully evaporates from the phone. This way there won't be any extra residue left after cleaning, and we'll have a fully functional phone, so the brush is essential. First we gather together the brush and the cleaning alcohol solution, and we proceed to very thoroughly soak the brush, ensuring that it is completely saturated and wet. Now, we take the phone, and then in one specific direction, for example moving to the right, or perhaps down, or even up, we swipe about 10 times in a row. And then we repeat the process in the other direction, also for about 10 times. And we repeat this process several times in each direction, so that the alcohol gets everywhere, so that it gets in there, softens the dust, and so the dust can come out of the port without any problem. After we've cleaned a few times in one direction and then the other, we can also use a special tool printed on a 3D printer, a kind of thin stick. It will help us to pull anything out. If there's any dust, it lets us pull it out without damaging the port. You can also buy something like this on Allegro if you do not have a 3D printer. We print them ourselves. Once we've cleaned it a bit with a little arrow, we use this tool. Move it to the end of one side, then to the end of the other side, and pull it upwards. If there was any dust, it would come out. Do the same on the other side of the port. Move it to the end and pull it out. But since it's plastic, it won't damage anything. Nothing here will get damaged. It's perfectly fitted to the track, to the port, so it doesn't catch on anything here. The port, it just allows for smooth movement on one side and on the other side of the port, all the way to the end, and try pulling it out. Ours is relatively clean already after brushing it out with a little brush, so it's unnecessary. But sometimes some dust really accumulates there, on the sides of the port. Here, such a tool is very helpful and does the job. After cleaning, we set the phone aside for 10 minutes. We just need to let the alcohol fully evaporate, and only then can we turn it on and use it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.